So I decided I'm about to start documenting this funded account I got with the funded trader. It's a 25K account. It's currently at basically $50 below starting. Um, and so yeah, we're gonna see what we can get out of this. I'm already looking for this buy right here. If this hour candle closes pretty good, we're gonna enter for a buy and go from there. So we're gonna see what happens with that. So we got about 6 minutes, a little less than 6 minutes, and then we're gonna get this money. I'm gonna look at some other stuff too, but this is the one we're looking at right now. Getting everything ready for the Discord. But I want to say starting next week, this account will be on a different platform. It's not going to be on MetaTrader, so it's going to look a little different, but it's going to be the same account. It's still going to be the same account. So yeah, we're going to see what we can get. Wait. Don't need y'all seeing my login info on the account. All right. But I low-key wanted this US 30 an hour ago, right? Well, not 8 o'clock candle, but I just ain't like that top wick. And so we about to see if we can get this to continue pushing up, which I believe it should. SPS was good, so I'm really thinking it's gonna push up. Really thinking it's gonna push up. My next setup, my next potential setup. I'll be looking for this on ETH. I want this buy here. We get this break above this, I'm gonna be looking to buy. Yeah. I just hate this wick though. Like, well, it ain't too bad on the hour. They just need to stay up here. It don't need to pull back. So we got about 2 minutes. No, this should definitely push up. I think when the market open, even if it is to close with like here, I think the market open is going to keep it pushing. But that's if it can stay up, because it's pulling back pretty aggressively. The only thing I don't like about this is that this is an area pushed down from over here and over here. But I look at it like this. We get that break above there. There's more room to the upside. and we at all-time high, so that's unlimited room to the upside. So we're gonna see what we get. I think we're gonna be straight. Excuse me. I think we're gonna be straight. I don't got no news. None of that, so about 30 seconds. Wow. I'm in there for the entry at 30. Get this in the Discord real quick. Also, don't forget to enter on this other account. It ain't too late of entry, but missed a little bit. I'm trying to think. Yeah, so let's see what it's going to do. I'm thinking it's going to continue to push, especially when 9:30 come around. That market opening. I'm thinking it should push up. It's looking nice right now, though. Definitely looking nice right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking the market should go up. No. Yeah. So I'm looking for this to keep pushing. It's looking nice though. It's looking nice early. AD on it. And it's like something in my eye. I ain't gonna lie, video went crazy. Like even the top decliners, right? When you're looking at these, right? The highest one basically 4%. Um, but when it goes to the top gainers, it's just a lot. It's just a big difference. So that's another reason why I'm kind of thinking that Nasdaq should push up as well. Like the fact that top decliners are even in profit in this situation on the Dow Jones. So yeah, this gonna be interesting to see. Gonna be patient with it though. Like I said, they looking nice. And some good pushes. Let's see, like how I trade Bitcoin on a lower time frame. It's not how I would, but just determining that stop loss, getting that down, and then I can make some big profits. I think I already know what stop loss I want to use on it, because me personally, I prefer using a fixed stop loss. They just make it easier with the lot sizes and stuff like that. Yeah, I prefer fixed stop losses. So it's pushed up to, so far it's pushed up to 180.47. So we're gonna see what we can get. We'll be back above, the original starting point, which is cool. I'm really curious though to see how I'm gonna like the other trading platform for the funded trader, like how smooth it's gonna run, how easy is it to get in, get out of trades, and even mark up your charts. It might be cool, but we gonna see. I ain't gonna lie, like right now, I got 30,000 in like challenges so far with the funded trader. I'm gonna get 600K though. Like that's the goal. The goal is to get 600K by the end of March. But I want to try to have 2 million total by the end of April, which is, I'm not gonna say it's easy. It's definitely gonna be difficult, but it's doable, right? So I'll have probably 600K with the funded trader. I can kind of possibly do a little shortcut with I believe it's Surge Trader. They got $1 million account, so that had me at 1.6 million, and then I just would need another 400K from another one. Like I said, it's very doable, but just gotta stay patient and consistent with it. But I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna be documenting, these trades. Like it may be points where um I'm in a trade where I'm like really like in front of the screen, but then like, people got stuff they gotta do during the day, so it might be a point where I'm not on the screen, but I got the screen showing the trade, and I kind of like fast forward through the content or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna see what it do. It's stuck in this little area though, but it should push up though. That wick there was crazy. Jerby giving some solid moves too though. I think I gotta grow this account 8%. So I gotta get I made $2,000. So I gotta get it to 2,600. That ain't bad. I'll do that for sure next week. 2,000, easy. I really could have yesterday, dang near. If I ain't traded yesterday, but yesterday I had some opportunity. I would have been up at least. That's how I held it, right? At least 5 to 6%. But hey, we worried about right now. We gonna get this. Getting them good push-ups. Let's go. Yep, though. Over 200 pips. Okay, we still got about 11.5 minutes until 9:30 opening. That's what I'm. That's what I'm interested in seeing at 9:30 open. We get that. It's gonna be looking good. Getting some good pushes. 300 pips. Let's get it. That's what we like to see. This is what we like to see. No, 930. I'm hoping this thing just shoot through the roof. My stop loss a little bit in profit though. Can't lie to you. No need to let this be a losing trade. I'd rather pull back and stop me out a little bit in profit than lose. You feel me? Like, yeah, I don't got time for that. Yeah. And I felt like me documenting this, one, gonna make me focus more, but it's just gonna show that like, yeah, this is easily possible. But then like, showing the transparency like, hey, you're not gonna win every trade. So hopefully we can get more of a push up at 930. I am interested though in doing futures. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like once I once I do get the funding, let's say when I get the 2 million in funding, right? I ain't gonna lie, I may experiment just to see how futures are, like using those funded accounts, just to see the difference. Cause I am interested. Can't even lie, I am interested. I hate when I gotta replace my screen protector. But yeah, I do want to experiment with it. You feel me? You getting good push-ups though. Good push-ups. We almost 400 pips. It was basically 400 pips. I just want that 930 to really get it there. Got about 4 minutes. And I hope this 930 don't make it do like a crazy pullback. I felt like it should keep going. The way the market top mover is just looking. I believe it should keep going. Crazy part about it though is it's like where do you switch and take profit? Like I said, we are all-time highs. Like, let me see. Yeah, we are all-time highs. So it's just like, where do you? Let me see what it do. Let's get this push up. Come on. if it pull back, I'm not gonna be upset because I know, like I said, I'm gonna be able to get it next week. But I really want this to push up though. Yeah, let's get it. It want to push up though. It do. It's 30 pushing. SPX pushing. We gonna get that push. Come on, give us that push. Come on. We almost at 500 pips. Come on. 500 pips hit. Let's get it. So we up over 1%. Trying to decide, do I let it rock out or close it? I'm gonna close it for the week. Well, if I try to click it and hit close, I'm gonna wait, see if I can get 2 or 3. Come on, give me that 300. Closing it. It'll take that 1%. We'll take that 1% for sure. And it's Friday, so I ain't gonna be tripping about missing out on a bigger move. So yeah, boom, there go 1% for you. I mean, we still a little below 1% on this just because we took that earlier loss, but um, we only need 1,800. I'm gonna easily get that next week. So yeah.